Hello everybody. In the previous video, we learned about I. I means how in Konkani. Today, in this video, we will be learning I am. I, as you know, is ha and am is asa. So I am is how asa. I am happy. How khush asa. I am is how asa and happy is khush. I am happy. How khush asa. I am sad. How dukhi asa. I is how, am is asa and sad is dukhi. How dukhi asa. I am angry. How ragar asa. I am is how asa. Angry is ragar. How ragar asa. I am angry. How ragar asa. I am scared. How bhillo asa. I is how, am is asa, scared is bhillo. How bhillo asa. I am scared. How bhillo asa. I am sleepy. How nidet asa. I am is how asa. Sleepy is nidet. How nidet asa. I am bored. How bezallo asa. I am is how asa. Bored is bezallo. How bezallo asa. I am bored. How bezallo asa. I am surprised. How achambit asa. I am means how asa. Surprised means achambit. How achambit asa. I am beautiful. How sundar asa. I am means how asa. Beautiful means sundar. How sundar asa. I am bald. How taklo asa. I am is how asa. Bald means taklo. How taklo asa. I am thirsty. How tanelo asa. I am is how asa. Thirsty means tanelo. How tanelo asa. I am tired. How furozalo asa. I am means how asa. Tired means furo zalo. How furo zalo asa. I am tired. How furo zalo asa. I am strong. How balisht asa. I am means how asa. Strong means balisht. How balisht asa. I am strong. How balisht asa. I am fat. How moto asa. I am means how asa. Fat means moto. How moto asa.